Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is the Puma Home Jersey for this season. It's the first time that I buy this team, really a nice jersey, and first of all, this is a fun version, but now enjoy the video! I really like the jersey. In my ranking, this is a 5 stars. As I told you, it's the first time that I buy a Puma jersey, and I'm really happy about that. I like the colors, I like the stripes, I like the Puma that you can find in the front of the jersey. Let me know if you agree with me or not. If you like the jersey, please smash the like button and tell me in the comments here below what other jersey you would like to see in the future. For today that's all, but please remember, subscribe the channel. It's just a click for you, but it's really important for the channel. See you next time. Ciao!